Welcome to the Virtual Materials Marketplace Ontology presentation in 180 seconds. The Virtual Materials Marketplace, VIMMP, is a project that develops a platform, a digital marketplace, aiming at facilitating the provision of services, data, models, and similar products that can be dealt with concerning materials modeling. And because this task requires an interaction with external providers and a communication between platforms, interoperability is crucial. For this reason, we coordinate with the European Materials Modeling Council and other projects and partners to develop agreed metadata standards, semantic assets. We follow the community line of work based on the review of materials modeling ROM and subsequent metadata standards with an increasing level of formalization. In particular, the modal workflow graph language and ontologies that are developed on this basis. And these ontologies are the topic of the poster and this presentation. And this integrates within the efforts of the eMMC, and particularly the eMMC focus area on digitalization that deals with digital marketplaces, research data infrastructures, and similar environments that are crucial to the digitalization of manufacturing and materials modeling in this context. So, our ontologies within VIMMP are domain ontologies that need to be capable of formalizing all the data ingested and extracted from and to the marketplace front end. And so they concern things like software, modeling and simulation, the agents, the people that register, materials modeling translation, the topics to be dealt with, and so on. And they connect to the pre-existing eMMC semantic assets, and in particular, the European Materials and Modeling Ontology is employed at the top level. And because this is an agreement with other projects, we aim at establishing a framework that is open to the whole community. These are external assets to which we also connect. Many thanks to you, and many thanks to all the collaborators.